In this tutorial, we'll show you how to create another network with the GyroSet Toolbox. So, you've already created your first network and you'd like to create another one from a new GyroSet head drive kit. Here's how you can do that. Once you've set up your first network, the app will always show you the home screen on startup. Let's go into the network menu. Here's our first network, which is unavailable at the moment because it's not present. Let's press the Add New Network button and allow some time for the app to scan for Bluetooth devices. Choose the dongle from the list and pair your phone with it so they can communicate securely. In order to do that, you have to have either GyroSet Drive or GyroSet Mouse running on your computer. It will provide the input field in which you can type the pairing code your phone offers. If everything checks out, you can continue the process. If not, it means one or more devices are out of range or turned off. From here on, it is the same process as it was creating your first network. You give it a name and a 6-digit passkey. This 6-digit passkey will be used every time the Cubo meets a new device and needs to pair with it. In this case, the Cubo and the dongle need to be paired again, as we've just changed the passkey. And that's it. A new network has been added to your list of networks. Let's see how one can remove a network. We're in the network menu, where we choose the Remove tab on the top of the screen. Here we have one network that is unavailable and one that we've just created. We could remove either of those, but whatever we do, one network must remain. Removing a network only means it's removed from the application. The head drive kit itself will still function as expected. If you get stuck at any point, feel free to use the help documentation, which can be accessed from every single screen in the application. Or contact our support team straight from the application.